Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss question number 2.8 of the chapter Motion in a Straight Line. A ball is dropped from a height 90 meter on a floor. At its collision with the floor, the ball loses 1/10 of its speed. Plot the speed time graph of its motion between 0 to 12 seconds. So here I am going to find this one. You see how we are solving this problem. Here, first of it write what is given. You see here given is right. It are from a height. Height is given. That is distance s is given, right? S is equal to how much? S is equal to 90 meter. A ball is dropped from a drop. That means u initial velocity is equal to 0, right? Initial velocity is 0, and here acceleration is, we know that it is 9.8 meter per second square, and acceleration is in the downward direction. It will be minus g, therefore minus 9.8 meter per second square, right? And final velocity of the ball, let final velocity of the ball be v. So we can write that is s equal to ut plus half a square. S is equal to ut plus half a t square. From here you can find the time. You see here s is how much? 90. That we are putting it here is 90, plus u is 0, therefore it is 0, plus half. Acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square, therefore it is 9.8. It is 9.8 half a into t square, right? So here we are also finding the value g as if is 0, so you can take this acceleration as positive, right? Since u is 0, therefore what we get, you here you see, that is we are getting the value as half 9.8 into 2 square, or t is equal to 90 into 2, t is equal to 90 into 2 divided by 9.8. This is the value we are getting. So if we divide 90 into 2 by 9.8, we are getting a value 18.38. 18.38, and if we find the square root of 18.38, then we will get 4.29 second. 4.29 second, right? So we are getting 4.29 second, right? Now 4.29 second we are getting. On the first equation we know that v equal to plus 80. We know that v is equal to u plus a into t, right? Therefore what we are finding value of v as v equal to u is 0, plus acceleration 9.8, and time is 4.29. That we are getting 42.04 meter per second. We are getting this value v equal to u plus a t. Now rebound velocity of the ball. When you see that is collision with the floor, the ball loses 1/10 of its speed. Therefore rebound velocity is equal to losses, that means 1 by 1 minus 1 by 10th of v, 1/10, right? Therefore 10 minus 9 by 10 v. So rebound velocity we are getting 9 by 10 v, and that is going to be 9 by 10 into velocity is how much? 42.04. 42.04. You multiply by 9 and divide it by 10, then we are getting 37.84. 37.84 meter per second. 37.84 meter per second. This is the rebound velocity. Now time taken. Time taken will be, at this time taken will be the same formula will apply here. Time taken will be equal to u u dash plus a t dash. Here the initial velocity is how much? 37.84. 37.84 plus value of acceleration is 9.8. So we are taking as minus 9.8 into time t dash. The way we find the value t dash, that will be minus 37.84 divided by minus 9.8. If we divide this one, then t dash, we are going to get a value of 3.867, 3.86 seconds, right? Therefore total time by the ball, total time taken by the ball is equal to t plus t dash. What is the first time? Time is this one, 4.29 plus 3.86 plus 3.86, and that is equal to 8.51 second, 8.15 second. What we get as the time as the time of ascent is equal to the time of descent, as the time of ascent is equal to time of descent. Time of ascent is equal to time of descent. The ball takes 3.86 second to strike back on the floor for the second time. Okay, so the velocity with which the ball rebounds after the floor. Now you can find the next thing, that is the velocity. So we are grabbing this one, so the velocity with which the velocity with which the ball rebounds from the floor is equal to 9b by 10, 9 into 37.84 by 10, it is 34.05 meter per second, right? So time taken by the ball for the second rebound, time taken, total time taken by the ball, taken by the ball for second rebound, for second rebound, is equal to 8.15 plus 3.86, that is going to be 12.01 second, 12.01 second. Okay, and you can see this is the graph given here. In this case, that it is the graph, it goes up to 42, then it is coming back, right? And after that it hits 8 point something, after it goes back up to 12, and this is the graph, right? The speed time graph is given figure. The speed time graph is the speed time graph, is shown in the figure, So in this way you can find the solution of exercise 2.8. Thank you everybody for watching this video. In this way it goes up to 42, it comes here, it strikes at 8 point something, after rebounds again, and it goes this way. This is the figure or graph of speed time graph. Thank you everybody for watching this video.